In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use a condition in Power Automate. In this case, we're going to be using a condition to determine what happens to the information from the form that gets inputted, and what happens in case it gets rejected, and what happens in case it gets accepted. So we have this start and wait for an approval, and we can approve or reject this information. And we have the information that gets shown here. And now we're going to be adding our condition. So to do this, we select condition, and we are going to be choosing a value, which is the outcome of the approval. And here we are going to write approve. So this means that if yes, so if the information is approved, we're going to have a series of actions happening. And if no, so if the information doesn't get approved, we're going to have another series of actions happening. So in this case, let's select send an email. By doing this, we can send an email to the responder of the form, informing them that the information has been approved. To do this, we're going to be specifying who we're going to be sending an email to, and we can do this in dynamic content. Here we can choose the responder's email. In the subject, we can write your message was approved. And in the email, we can add the comments and the email of the approver. This is just extra information that we can get and we can give the responder of the form in case it needs to email someone or see the comments in regard to the information that was submitted. As you can see, an apply to each was automatically added here. This is just a loop that's going to run these actions a series of times, and we can just let it be because we actually do need it for this part. So to do this, we're going to be looking for add row into table. Here we can choose where our file is located. In this case, I'm going to be selecting one that is located in Teams. We choose the document library, just click document, and then we also have to write the path to our file. In this case, it's going to be this one. In this part, we're going to be selecting a table, and here, for this example, we're just going to be selecting table 2. And just to give you better insight, I'll be showing you how this table looks like. So this is what the table looks like. The title is message. So this means that in this column, which is titled message, we want to input some information. So we can select here, and we can get the information from the form, which is the assignment information. So this information will now be saved in this column. In case it gets approved, the information gets submitted to the form, we are going to be sending an email to the responder of the form with the comments and the email of the individual that approved that information, and we're going to be saving that information into a table. What if it doesn't get approved? Then we can do something similar. So now I did this very quickly over here just to show you. We've done the exact same, as in if yes, but in case the outcome of the condition is no, so it doesn't get approved, we send an email saying that the message has been rejected to the same responder with the comments and the email of the approver, and we also save the information to the same file, except we save it in a different table.